In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and clear browsing history in Chrome. First, go ahead and open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu there. Click on those three dots to open Chrome's main menu, where you can access a variety of browser settings and tools. From that menu, click on History. In many cases, you may see history listed once, and then a second panel will appear where you can click History again to open the full history page. This is the section that shows you the websites and pages you've visited while using Chrome. It's useful if you want to go back to something you opened earlier, especially if you forgot to bookmark it or can't remember the exact website name. Once you're on the history page, you'll be able to scroll through your recent browsing activity. Take a moment to explore this page so you can get familiar with how it's organized. You can usually see the titles of pages you visited, along with the dates and times they were accessed. This makes it easier to find something specific from earlier in the day or from previous days. If you want to remove certain items, you can delete some of your history individually. This is helpful if there are just a few entries you no longer want to keep. You can also choose to clear your browsing history more broadly if that's what you need. Clearing browsing history is often useful if you want to tidy up your browser, improve privacy on a shared computer, or simply remove old browsing records. As you go through this process, be sure to double-check what you're deleting, especially if you may want to revisit some of those pages later. Viewing your history can be a great way to recover websites you forgot to save, while clearing it can help keep your browsing activity more private and organized. That's all there is to it. Open Chrome, click the three dots, go to History, and from there you can review your browsing activity, delete individual items if you want, or clear your browsing history altogether. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes very quick and easy.